Hello, can you hear me? Hello, oh, 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 oh. Okay, good, I've got a hot spicy track for y'all.
Sicilian swagger boy on the track. Mecca Melly, where you at? Now I got them laughing cause now they think I'm funny. Over here hop around like you's a bunny. Now you see me stunting, always flexing with the money. Yeah, you already know it's me cause bitch I'm blowing off in the scene. Yeah, always trying to get like me, ride around in limousines. Always fresh up in my white tee. That's why all the girls are trying to get with me. Oh yeah, they always say it's just for the money. But now they see me stunting. They used to think I was nothing, but now I came back to the spot. You already know where to find me at. In the studio is where I'm at.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?